girl, Darling the Natural, and today I did a nature inspired makeup look. I've been inspired by a lot of things like in my life, but today I decided to do nature because why not? So I'm going to be going in, but before I go in, I just want to remind you guys to subscribe, like, comment on my channel, and that's pretty much it. So I'll be showing you guys step-by-step procedures of how I achieved this. So guys, I'm going to be starting on a fresh face. As you can see, I already carved my brows. You can seek professional help if you don't know how to do this because it's really hard work. So firstly, I'm going to start with my eyebrows. First of all, I'll carve it out using my brow pencil, color 18 I think. So I'm going to be sharpening it and make sure the tip is sharp like this. Then I'll try to brush out my brows, brush it up nice, and start carving it out. So the code is the skeleton. I'm going to be carving out my skeleton first before I go in and fill it in. Please try to start carving your skeleton from here so that when you're filling it in, it doesn't look too thick at the beginning and it begins to look natural. So next, I'm going to be filling it in, filling my brows in a natural way so that it doesn't look too much or something. Don't worry, I know it looks weird now, but after I'm done, you're going to be seeing. So I'm done filling it in and I'm going to be using my spoolie brush to brush it, mix it up and make it look more natural. The aim is to look very natural. So I keep brushing to make everything blend with my brow shape. As you can see, I'm trying to smudge the lines, the sharp lines I made. Just some hair. Okay. Yeah. I think we're done now. It's time for me to conceal my brows. Conceal it and make it look better, make it look fine. So for this process, I'm going to be using a flat brush and I'll basically be rubbing my brush on my concealer, and I'll be following the natural lines of my eyes. Don't worry, I'm going to go back in. So I'm going to be following the natural lines of my eyes. Okay, something like this. I'm going to go and finish it off camera and I'll be back. So my next step is to prime my face. Please don't avoid using a lot of primer because it spoils your makeup when it's too much. And prime your face after your brows, because once you prime your face before your brows, it becomes really hard to manage. The next step for me here is to conceal my eyelids, cover up the discoloration. I'd like to mention something. Your brows should look like sisters, not twins. A lot of times we spend a lot of time doing our brows wanting it to look perfectly the same, or should I say alike, but that's actually not the case. You just have to make it look very similar, and that's all you need to do. So I'm going to be taking a bigger flat brush now and I basically do downward strokes on my eyelid, you know, downward strokes on my eyelid, going again, downward strokes to blend it all in, downward strokes, blend it all in, blend it all in. I like to go in with a beauty blender, you know, to finish things off and make it look better after I do my eyelids. And then I'm going to blend this out so it doesn't look too, should I say, liney when I'm trying to do my foundation. So go in and blend this out, blend this out, blend this out. I like to join my brows because sometimes I mistakenly draw one up and one down. I have problems with aligning my brows, so I like to join them up and clean it out later on. So I'll go here with my beauty blender, you know, dab it. I'm going in with my Nubian by Julia's 2. I think they have 2 types, and I'll be using this brown just for color correction, you know. This will be my base on whatever it is I'm working on. This is my base, and I'll be doing this too. My base. I love flat brushes. I have different types and they're very versatile. You can use them for anything. Blending, dabbing, tapping. They're my favorite kind of brushes. Next, I'll be going in with this deep green. It's called Egypt. I will also be dabbing it around my eyes. I'm not really used to shimmer, but I decided why not try it out. This is shimmer deep green. I'll just be rubbing it just under my brow bone and try to stretch it out, you know, pulling my natural brow line. So the next step, I'm going to be doing a cut crease, something this similar. I will just follow the shape of my eyes and do like an S shape around my brow bone, just like that, easy, around my brow bone. Then I'll go in again and try to even it out, just like this. I'll be going in on this other side with my neon pigment using a flat brush. So I did a double cut crease here, and I'll be doing the same thing over here, just the same kind of thing I explained earlier. Cut shape. Then I'll go back in and blend it all in. So basically, I went back in with my brown eyeshadow for my base, and then I went back in with my shimmer, my green shimmer, and now I'm going to be doing a brown shimmer. Let's go with this one. I will be dabbing it this way. Right under my cut crease. Same goes for this way. Just right on the curve, cut crease. Then I go into more. Eyeshadow is usually the part where you do a lot of work, a lot of blending, a lot of work in general. So I'd like to go in with this color. I'm just trying out this palette and it looks good. I like to go in with this color to make things darker. This is a darker brown. Is coming together. Basically doing green and brown. Green for leaves, brown for the earth. Okay, so the next part, I usually do my eyeliner last, so we're going to go into my foundation. I'll start off with my powder and my beauty blender before I go in with my foundation. This is just to give it a smooth base. Give my foundation a smooth base to sit on. No? I like to do a dabbing kind of method as opposed to just rubbing it in, because I believe dabbing allows it to actually really sit properly on your skin. So this is basically me rubbing my foundation all over my face before I start blending it with the beauty blender. I know I look crazy right now. I know, even I am shocked. I'm scared too, but you know, you got to look ugly before you look pretty. Oh my god, I'm just kidding. So I'm getting my under eye circles first of all. I usually go from in to out in a dabbing and stroking movement. So the whole mess I created here would be cleaned up once I'm done. So I went in with the flat angle brush to clean off my excesses around my shadow area. Now I'm just going to use it to blend it in downward strokes. So I'm done cleaning up my excesses and I'm just trying to highlight my under eyes. To remove my dark circles. Next up, I'm using using my LA Girl Pro Concealer to contour my face, my nose, my cupid's bow. So now I'm going to blend. This is my favorite part. I'm just baking and setting. Ooh, see how sharp my jawline is. Okay, so my next step is going to be my eyeliner. And we'll just start with this. Short sleeve. Much like something I did with my Crease. So now I went in with my white eyeliner and my eyeshadow to give me a smoky look, a subtle smoky look. And then I'm going to do some finishing touches. So guys, I'm using my fan brush to lightly fan it in the areas that I need to. Do you see it? So guys, I finished up with my bronzer and everything, and this is the final look. I went with gigantic space punk because why not? Thank you.